session in afternoon. So whenever you get feeling that you are now going to Mars, you know what is Mars? Sleep. When you go to Mars means you are not on Earth. That is when you feel like, so apply Fair and Lovely. No worries. This is a very famous cartoon. We have multiple animals and the examiner says, all of you will pass only if you climb the tree. Examiner is very strict. ಪಾಸ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಗಿಡ ಹತ್ತಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಹೂ ವಿಲ್ ಕ್ಲೈಮ್ ದ ಟ್ರೀ? ಟೆಲ್ ಮಿ ಫಾಸ್ಟ್. ಮಂಕಿ, ದೆನ್ crow will fly, then elephant will just go and touch with the trunk. Who will not try also? Fish. If the fish tries, what happens? Die. And this is where the fish understands that I am absolutely not going to win this game, but I will wait for my opportunity. When the examiner will change the rule, he will put all of us into water and he will ask who will swim fast. So sometimes in life you don't have to participate in every race just because somebody is being given a prize and you feel that you will also win without understanding that you are risking your own inner talent. Okay? See, today, what's my age? Sir told no? Huh? रिश्ते में हम आपके बाप लगते हैं. I have a daughter actually in 10th standard. She has given her boards. She is waiting for her results. रिश्ते में हम आपके बाप लगते हैं. So I know what happens with a child in the first 15 years, first 18 years, and what happens after 40. Yesterday I was on ZTV. Okay, we were having a discussion. PUC ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? One important thing came. What do toppers do after 10 years? ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ಯಾರೋ ಇವಾಗ PUC ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕಕ್ಕೆ 10 ವರ್ಷ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾರಪ್ಪ ಅವರು? ಇವ್ರು ಎಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಇವ್ರು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ 2016 ದ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ ಹು ಗಾಟ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್, ವೇರ್ ಹಿ ಇಸ್? ನಾಟ್ ಎವ್ರಿಬಡಿ ಈಸ್ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಇನ್ ಲೈಫ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಮೆಂಟಲ್ ಹೆಲ್ತ್. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಮೆಂಟಲ್ ಹೆಲ್ತ್? ಸರ್ ಕೇಳಬೇಡಿ ಸರ್, ಡಿಪ್ರೆಷನ್ ಸರ್. She did not like sir. He did not reply sir. What? See, you all are in that age of attraction, correct? Sir, you don't know sir. I know, because I was also your age. The point is, if you are able to build yourself stronger to understand how emotions need to be streamlined, you win in life. Okay? I know toppers who have scored centums. Now in life, if somebody says, you are waste, joke, they can't take it. Because in real life, nobody gives you an exam and nobody says, get 100 on 100. They say, this is real life. So, my dear friends, you all have to realize that every exam is not for you. If you have got less marks in some exam, don't worry, you will get some exam in life where you will do better than everybody else. Okay? There is a lot of opportunities. Let's go. Once upon a time, there was a lion. And now there are bakras. Getting marks is so easy, sir, no? In our Kala, 94 was first rank, state first rank, 94%. Today 625 and 625, how many got Riyaz bhai? 625 and 625, you will get 620 people. Correct? Marks are just flowing now. The problem is, your marks don't actually tell who you are. They can give you advantage, they can give you scholarship, they can give you free ships. But do marks really mean everything? Mood before exams. Everything you will try. Mood after exams. After exam. Now mood when the results are out. Ingappa marks bandiddu. What did I do? I wrote everything in physics. Everything. Kannada ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರಬೇಕು ನನಗೆ? 90 ಬರಬೇಕು. 99, but I got 79. 20 bucks ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಇತ್ತು. Oh, some Bhagya Lakshmi scheme by government. Less marks Lakshmi scheme by government. Today people think everything government should do. We will not do anything. That's not possible. Okay? Abba. My. 20 years from now, when you will all be married and have children, you should not say, गाड़ी खड़ी थी, मैं जा सकता था, लेकिन मैंने बैठ के chatting किया. Do you think Instagram is permanent? By the time you become 40, Instagram is dead. There will be something else. आज से 20 साल पहले who told us we will have smartphones? Nobody knew. All of us had button phones. Majority of us. Even BlackBerry was a button phone, right? But I remember Vishveshwaraya Museum, Bangalore. How many of you have come to Bangalore and seen Vishveshwaraya Museum? Very good. How many of you have seen Dalindar? Dalindar 1, Dalindar 2. Dalindar 1, 3 hours. Dalindar 2, 4 hours. Dalindar 3 will come, 5 hours. Everybody will see, but nobody will go to Future Museum. How many of you have gone to Dubai and seen the Future Museum? ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬಲ್ಲೇ ನೋಡ್ಕೋತೀವಿ ಸರ್. My dear friends, you need to now visit the world in this age. ಈ ವಯಸ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ದುಡ್ಡು ಸೇವ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಟ್ರಾವೆಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸಿ. Otherwise, you will say, moe. And today, if you don't listen to me, after 20 years, don't tell. Amin sir had come to our college. He told everything that was required for me. I just simply followed my friend. Moe. Okay? So, career in ICU. After results come, student will be in one axis, Z-axis. Father X-axis, mother Y-axis. Father wants you to become CA. Mother wants you to become doctor. You want to become YouTuber. Guys, like, share, subscribe, ghanta dabao. You're like, nangu ಒಂದು 10 million subscribers ಸಿಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ, go ask them how did they make 10 millions. It's not easy. ಇದು ಯಾಕೆ ಆಗೋದು ಅಂದರೆ, majority of the parents do not understand that career is built not just by going to school or college, but by a lot of habits, skills. I have a friend in Sweden. He has his own house in Sweden, Stockholm. He didn't take a bank loan. He's a billionaire. He has Bitcoin. Do you know what is a Bitcoin? Bitcoin ಗೊತ್ತಾ? ಸರ್ 1 ಕೋಟಿ ಸರ್ ಅದು ಬಿಟ್ಕಾಯಿನ್. ಅವನ ಹತ್ರ 3 ಬಿಟ್ಕಾಯಿನ್ ಇದೆ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ. I know where he studied his school. Class 1 to 10th he studied in Urdu medium, Raichur. Urdu में for test tube they call imtihani nalli. ನಮಗೆ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಗೊತ್ತು, ಮೈಂಡಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Imagine somebody studying entire science, maths in Urdu, going to do engineering, working for Wipro, Accenture, now settled in Sweden, all because he had great reading skills in high school. He used to read magazines about wealth creation. He used to read about Kannada, Urdu, everything. So, ನಿಮ್ಮ career decide ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ, it's not only your parents, it's your hobbies, your interests, your habits which matter. All right? What do you want to become? Who will answer this? Come on. Fast. Who will answer this? Come on. What do you want to become? ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡು 3 idiots ಥರ ನನ್ನ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್, ನೀವು ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸಾ? Pre-rajulization for hun nitrate. Come on, fast. What do you want to become? Doctor? Wow. It's for her. What do you want to become?
Scientist.
Wow. Come. Very good. Scientist. Why do you want to become? Come here. What scientist? You would like to become a scientist?
Yes.
What's your name?
Aisha.
Aisha, all the best. May Allah make you a scientist. Thank you very much. Very good. See? ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಭಯಾನೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. हम सब डरपोक. उस बच्ची को डर ही नहीं है, सिर्फ बिंदास. वी आर लाइक साइंटिस्ट कौन सा बनने का, साइंटिस्ट आದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದಾ, ಸೈಂಟಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಗಂಟೆ ನಾನು ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಇರಬಹುದು, ಅಯ್ಯೋ 8 ಗಂಟೆ ಓದಬೇಕಂತೆ, 10 ಗಂಟೆ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂತೆ. ಈಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಸೈಂಟಿಸ್ಟ್ ಬನೋ. ಸಿ, this is the problem with us. What do you want to become versus what all do you want to become? What all do you want to become? Anybody here has multiple dreams? I want to become this, yeah. Huh? Doctor then, lawyer then. ಈ ಕಡೆ ಪೇಷಂಟ್ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಈ ಕಡೆ ಕೇಸ್ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ ಯು, ಈವ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಯು ಕಮ್ ವಿಲ್ ಫೈಲ್ ಎ ಕೇಸ್. ಗುಡ್. Doctor and lawyer. God bless you. Okay, good catch. Boys, answer, man. I have one more fun. BA MBBS. Good. Who said that? Okay, you are trying. Okay. Multiple dreams ilva? Ellargu onde dream, onde ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? Nobody. Every day you have same ಊಟ. Think over that. See, I am today trying to make you guys think differently. My job is not information. ನನಗಿಂತ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ AI ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ. I need to put that in a way that you remember it as a story. We all love stories. Correct? What is Fair and Lovely? All of you apply Fair and Lovely fast. Apply Fair and Lovely fast. See, this is what you will remember. Go to your classroom also, silently apply for your teacher will not come to know. 1981, a story begins. This is my story. This is what I wanted to become. 1981 I was born. 5th standard, pilot. 7th standard, Shah Rukh Khan's biggest fan. Ye kali kali aankhein. Then 9th standard, Devegowda ji became PM. I thought I should also become PM. Our PM